So here are 3 of my tried and true busy mom hairstyles that you are going to be able to pull off in minutes. Now the first hairstyle is the messy bun. So for the perfect messy bun, you're going to start with combing your hair upside down to create a super high pony. Now you want the pony to be in the middle of the top of your head, and then you are going to wrap your hair tie around, and when you get to that very last loop, just leave a little bit out, fluff out the top, pull it a little bit away from the base of the hair tie to give you a little volume right up here on top. And then you're gonna take the loop that you left out loose and you're gonna fan that out a little bit to give your messy bun a little bit of volume. Then you're going to take the ends that are left in the back and just wrap them around and pin them with a few bobby pins until you achieve the messy hair look that you're going for. Now this is never ever going to look exactly the same every time. That's kind of the beauty of a messy bun. There are days that I only use 3 bobby pins, and then there are days that I use like 8 bobby pins. Now, if you have shorter hair that tends to fall down in the back, you can use a bobby pin to secure that as well. If you're like me and you have some of these flyaway baby hairs that are such a pain, I'm gonna share with you my #1 hair hack that every time I tell somebody about this, they think I'm crazy, and then they try it and they're like, wow, it works. What I do to tame these crazy baby hairs, I use a little bit of lip balm. The key is to just use a little bit. With your fingers, just smooth over those baby hairs. I'm telling you, it works way better than any hairspray I've ever tried. Now, I like to dress up this look with a hair wrap or a headband, depending on where I'm going, or just to kind of make it look a little different. Now, over the summer, I kind of fell in love with these knotted headbands. They kind of give a little bit of a Rosie the Riveter look, but I kind of love them. You can always dress this look up with a dressier headband. So right here, I have a metallic headband, and it gives the messy bun just a little bit more of a dressy feel. Remember that little plastic tool that used to thread your hair? It was all over infomercials in the 90s. Yeah, it was called the TOPSY tail. Well, it turns out you don't actually need that tool. Now I'm gonna show you styles that you can use the TOPSY tail and create completely different looks. So now for this first one, you're gonna part your hair on the side, gather 2 small pieces and tie it with a small clear elastic. And then you are going to separate the middle of the hair and then loop the ponytail part over and under, and then pull it down. And then you want to fan out the twisted pieces. And then you're going to grab another 2 pieces, tie those pieces around your original ponytail, secure that, and then do another TOPSY tail. Move up your elastic as needed, fan it out. And I love this look because you can still wear your hair down, but it's not in your face. Now this next look I like to call the puffer fish braid. I think I made that name up, I'm not entirely sure, but I'm gonna claim it because I've never seen it used before. Gather your hair in a low side pony. You are going to do a TOPSY tail. Then you're going to gather that ponytail right beneath it, and you are going to do another TOPSY tail. You want to make sure it's secure but not too tight. Now you want to pinch the elastic up just a little bit and fan out the side twists. Then you are going to gather that ponytail right beneath it again, about another 2, maybe 3 times. It really depends on how long your hair is. And the key to this is really just, again, moving those elastics up and fanning the hair out. And as someone with fine hair, I especially love this look because it gives me that voluminous braided look that is so hard for me to achieve with a lot of other style braids. You see, super, super simple, no heat involved, no curling irons, 3 minutes and out the door, because 3 minutes is sometimes all we got.